In this quick video, we'll show you how to add a category to your Joomla website. Once you're logged into your administrative control panel, on the top you can get to the category manager obviously by clicking on the icon that says category manager, or we can go up to the top where it says content and we can scroll down to category manager. Joomla, obviously, as mentioned in the previous video, organizes its content in sections and then categories of those sections, and then inside your categories are your content items. I've used sections as the file cabinet. The categories are the files inside the file cabinet, and the content is actually the paperwork that's inside the files. So that helps visualize how things are structured. In order to create, this is what you're going to see when you first log in if you installed all the default content when you initially installed Joomla. In order to create a new category, it's the exact same process when creating a new section. Go to the top right and click New. And again, we're going to give it a title. And the alias again is going to be used in much the same way that the section was. You can leave it blank and Joomla will fill it in. You can also put in your own keyword-rich category. It will be used in the URL if SEF or search engine friendly URLs are activated. Make sure again that it remains relevant if you are going to put keywords in there. We want to choose the section that this category is going to be in. So here we have all of our sections that we created. We'll put this inside the new section. So now we have a new category inside a new section. Again, choose the access level. This typically is going to remain identical to what the section access level is, which will be public. And again, we don't need, for our purposes, we don't need an image for this category, so the positioning is irrelevant. And again, we don't need to put any sort of images or hefty text inside this category description. And when you're done with that, simply hit Save in the top right-hand corner. And here is our new category right here. You can see that it's published, that it's in the new section, that there are 0 active items in it. So the number active tells you how many active articles, so to speak, are inside that category, and currently we have 0. And the item ID, you'll see later, comes in handy when we're dealing with different components and different types of modules that utilize the item ID. We can put let's say we created a latest news module and we only wanted to show articles that are inside this new category. We could say, show me the top 5 articles in the new category. And so you would tell the module to pull that information from this number, from this database number, from the item ID. So it's going to let you know a little bit as to the relevance of the item ID and how we're going to be using it later. So that's how to create a category in Joomla 1.5. It's very simple, very straightforward. In the next video, we'll show you how to add an article to that category.